Are you planning a new fit-out project or renovation in Dubai and need professional technical drawings that get approved fast? As an experienced AutoCAD freelancer based right here in Dubai, I provide a one-stop solution for all your drafting and authority submission needs. I specialize in handling complex fit-out submissions for the city's major developers and authorities, including TECOM, Concordia, Nakheel, Trakhees, Dubai Municipality, DM, and Dubai Civil Defense, DCD. Navigating these regulations can be challenging, but I ensure your plans are 100% compliant from the start. For the F&B industry, I provide detailed layouts and obtain approvals for Dubai food safety, specifically for restaurants, cafés, and commercial kitchens. If you are in the wellness or medical sector, I prepare specialized drawings for Dubai health and safety, covering salons and spas, as well as comprehensive plans for Dubai Healthcare Authority, DHA, for clinics and hospitals. Homeowners looking to upgrade their space can rely on me for villa modification plans for EMIR and DAMAC properties to secure essential no objection letters, NOCs. Furthermore, I facilitate RTA approvals for outdoor area seating and provide full MEP drawings for all types of fit-out projects. From initial design to final approval, I offer professional precision to save you time and prevent project delays. Contact me today to get your project moving forward with the right technical support. Iftikhar Ahmed, 055 46 18585.